Is Procreate really worth it? Let's go, baby. Ain't nothing like a good Procreate video. Am I right or am I right?
First off, guys, it can be tough to decide on whether Procreate is the right choice. Boo-hoo. But guess what? We'll help you decide if it's worth it or not. Don't want to watch a long video? You can also see if Procreate is worth it by visiting the link below this video. Go get it, girl, faux show.
Girl, faux show.
Here's what we'll be covering. Some of these topics are only on our website, which is linked below.
Oh, and don't you dare like, subscribe, or even comment, because, well, we won't be answering them. Oh, and a ho to you too.
Haha, don't listen to Santa. That's for grumpy Garys, and for people that like to skip right to the point. Now, smash that big, meaty, like button, but only if you are a strong, independent, who don't need no video.
So I personally have Procreate. It's an unbelievable app. I've used all of the drawing apps you could think of. Everything you can use on iPad. I've used even architecture apps, 3D modeling apps, drawing apps, all the Illustrator apps. Procreate is absolutely my favorite because it works well with the Apple Pencil, which is a very unique stylus. You can tap on it, switches between your eraser and your different tools, and it's just very intuitive. And it feels like you're drawing on a pen and paper. Also, Procreate is on iPad only, and it's built specifically for the iPad. Now, I reviewed this on my website, and I also show you in that link how you can get Procreate on Windows and how you can get on Mac and how it compares against Wacom drawing tablets. And instead of Procreate, you could always get a drawing tablet like XP Pen, Wacom, or one of the others. But iPad itself has a screen on it. It's affordable. You can use it for other things besides just drawing. And Procreate makes the most out of the iPad. So it's definitely worth getting an iPad for Procreate. Procreate has so many people that use it. The community is massive. There's so many influencers, tutorials, custom brushes, and artwork that you can learn from. And the app is hands down just the best for everything besides vector art. That's really the one limitation. If you want vector art, you got to go with the Adobe Creative Cloud. And that's pretty common knowledge. Otherwise, I surveyed our users on the site. And as far as Procreate, what made it most worth it for beginner artists and artists just in general is that it's just extremely easy to use, and it has a high ceiling of potential artwork that you could create, like very complex pieces of art you can create, and the whole layout is just extremely simple. I highly recommend it. You can see all the benefits, some of the drawbacks too that I list in the link below. There are some alternative styluses you can use with Procreate. I certainly wouldn't recommend them, but it's torn between the Logitech Crayon and the Adonit model. Both of these there's links to them in the link in the description. They're like half the price. I personally would not use anything besides the Apple Pencil because it's just built, it's almost like it's built for Procreate. That is the essentials. There's also Procreate Pocket if you want to use it on your iPhone and transfer different files. If you're on the go and you can't use your iPad, you have your iPhone. The only thing is the stylus usage on the iPhone. I don't believe you can use the Apple Pencil, so it gets iffy there. But there are a few other speakers, so let's hear them out.
Now you have two options here. One, you can sit through the next 8 minutes of video like Jabba the Hutt. Or two, in 0.5 seconds you can instantly see the steps and solutions, which is laid out clearly on our website.
This video will still be available on that page if you need it. Now, when I say the page has everything you need, it really does have everything you need. Go get it, girl, faux show.
Girl, For sure.
If not, our tech expert Roberto Esteban Rojas Fernandez, the third, is going to explain the rest.
Hello, my name is Roberto Esteban Rojas Fernandez Meja Grande Mojito de Tir. And let me cover everything you need to know.
Comment your thoughts about how you like Roberto Esteban Rojas Fernandez Meja Grande Mojito III.
Hit the like button if you like my pointless orange vest.
Hit the like button if you like my pointless orange vest better.
Also, if you like a big stack of a Frenchy toast as much as I like Frenchy toast, you can hit subscribe instead. Hi. I don't know if you know this, but this is my favorite Grace chair. Comment on this video and tell me which chair you like the best. My chair, Bab's chair, or this chair. Bye bye my cool friends.
Don't forget, more in-depth information on this is also available. In 0.5 seconds you can instantly see the steps and solutions, which is laid out clearly on our website.
Please subscribe to the channel my friends. It will help you every day.